Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruisin with the Colemans, and I am here in Middlebury, Indiana at Coachmen Apex and Coachmen Remote. And we're looking at the new 18.2R Remote. This is a brand new floor plan on this trailer. First of all, take a look at it. They all the remotes have this great bike rack on them, and they've got dual propane up front. Look at this huge pass-through. This thing is gigantic. And notice while you're in there, you've got that griddle that's standard with all the remotes. So this is coming with solar, and you've got the optional super solar upgrade that you can add to this package. All-terrain tires. Your black and gray tanks both have heat pads on them to keep them from freezing up in the winter or in cold weather. We've got the ladder prep on the back. We also have a backup camera prep back here and our spare tire back here. We have a little outdoor cooking area here where I can put my propane grill. There is a propane connection underneath here. As I mentioned, all-terrain tires going on here. Love this little front porch light just to help get inside. Let's take a look at the inside of this rig. We've got an RV queen size bed here, so it's a little bit narrower than a normal queen, but plenty of storage space up here with the cargo nets. Now, I don't have any access to the storage underneath because of that gigantic pass-through up top. I do have full access underneath my dinette for storage, all kinds of extra space underneath those two benches. And let's take a look at this kitchen. One of the upgrades they put on the new models is all of our latches and our cabinetry are now magnet latches, which is a nice little feature. Keeps them shut and they are fail-safe. Plenty of storage space under here. I've got a microwave. Love these new stoves. It's still a 2-burner stove, just like it always has been, but now they're front and back, so it gives you actually more access to counter space. And a small galley sink here, plenty of room to do a little bit of dishes, but you know, you're still doing most of your cooking outside on the fire, right? We've got these nice bunk beds. They've moved the bunk here, so instead of being across the back, it's now long ways, which just makes it feel like it's got a little bit more space. Another new upgrade that we're looking at on all of the remotes across the line is that there is now a TV backer provided. You have to put your own TV on it. And they've upgraded the air conditioners to a larger capacity air conditioner, so you're gonna keep the rig plenty cool for the entire summer. Also, notice these Bluetooth pill speakers. They are rechargeable. You can take them anywhere and they're waterproof. Plus there's a charging station right here built into the dock. In the bathroom, I've got a toilet, I've got a small tub, which would be good for washing the kids or maybe washing the dog if the dog got to be a mess. Plenty of space in here for a couple of people to use and to live in pretty well on those weekend trips out. Take a look at this 12-volt fridge. Plenty of space in here, and it keeps things nice and cold with the optional lithium batteries that are gonna keep you powered up as much as you need to get off the grid for your adventures.